Continue. That's it?
Can I help you?
That's it?
Can I help you?
It's okay. What
What's
about
the
your,
question?
your next film?
Next film, I don't know. Maybe The Bourne. The Bourne. I don't know. It's gonna be another Bourne movie. Have you seen the Bourne movies?
What about when you was in Europe?
In Europe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in Europe, you know. I was just promoting some old films that the Europeans haven't seen yet.
I see you last movie, but you look very sick.
I look very sick.
Yeah.
Maybe because I gained a little weight, you know. I need to go back to the gym so I could look like the Matt Damon I'm supposed to.
You feel better right now?
A little bit. I've been going to the gym, you know. I want to be...
I like your film.
You love my films?
Yeah, yeah. I think you good actor.
Good actor?
Yeah, yeah.
What about good looking guy?
Okay, but I waiting for a good tip also.
You want a good tip?
Yeah, because I tell you something good. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So, I'm Matt Damon though. You're nobody. I'm Matt Damon.
Yeah, you Matt Damon. Yeah, because it's a nice interview. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good interview.
Thank you very much.
Okay, take care. I'm leaving now.
I'm gonna send it for the New York Times. Okay.
Okay. Take care. Okay.
Bye bye. Glad to see you.
Okay.
When you come back?
I'll be back next week.
Right. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Matt Damon coming back.
Okay, finish.